boys and girls. Welcome to Story Time with the Hailey Public Library. This week, our theme is all about farms and farm animals. The first story is called Piglet and Mama. This is written by Margaret Wild. Piglet and Mama. Piglet and Mama. One morning in the farmyard, Piglet lost her mama. Oink! Cried Piglet. So with a snuffle and a snort, off she went to look for her mama. Mama! Said Piglet. Your mama's not here, said Duck. Let's have a cuddle. But Piglet wanted her mama. Mama! Said Piglet. Your mama's not here, said Sheep. Let's make a daisy chain. But Piglet wanted her mama. Mama! Said Piglet. Your mama is not here, said Donkey. Let's play chase. But Piglet wanted her mama. Mama! Said Piglet. Your mama is not here, said Dog. Let's roll in the mud. But Piglet wanted her mama. Mama! Said Piglet. Your mama is not here, said Horse. Let's dance in the daffodils. But Piglet wanted her mama. Mama, said Piglet. Your mama is not here, said Cat. Let's snooze in the sun. But Piglet wanted her mama. Oink! Cried Piglet. Oink! There you are, said Mama. I've been looking everywhere for you. So with a snuffle and a snort, Piglet and Mama had a big pig cuddle. Then they made a daisy chain. They played chase. They rolled in the mud, danced in the daffodils, and snoozed side by side in the sun. The end. That was Piglet and Mama. Our next story is called Click, Clack, Peep by Doreen Cronin. Click, clack, peep. Look at those cows and Ducky. Click, clack, peep. Farmer Brown stuck his head out the window. The farm was too quiet. Everyone was watching the egg. Not a moo, not a click, not an oink, not a clack, not a baa, not a cluck. Not a thing. Then a crack. Look at that. Inside the barn, everyone gathered closer. Moo, crack. Ba, crack. Oink, crack. Cluck, crack. Moo, crack. Ba, crack. Oink, crack. Baby duck. Baby duck laughed. Peep, peep, peep. And laughed again. Baby duck waddled. Peep, peep, peep. And waddled again. Baby duck played. Peep, peep, peep. And played again. The animals yawned. Peep, peep, peep. And yawned again. The chickens sang a lullaby, but Baby Duck would not sleep. Peep, peep, peep. The cows lowered the shades, but Baby Duck would not sleep. Peep, peep, peep. The sheep knitted a blanket, but Baby Duck would not sleep. Peep, peep, peep. Oh dear. The chickens went outside to get some sleep. The cows went outside to get some sleep. The sheep went outside to get some sleep. The mice went outside to get some sleep. Duck took off his headphones. Peep, peep, peep. What's happening? He put Baby Duck into a bucket. Peep, peep, peep. He covered her with a blanket. Peep, peep, peep. He carried her outside. Peep, peep, peep. He climbed into the tractor. Peep, peep, peep. He buckled up the seat belts. Peep, peep, peep. And backed out of the barnyard. Peep, peep, peep. Beep, beep, beep. He drove back and forth. Peep, peep, peep. Back and forth. Peep, peep, peep. Back and forth. Peep, peep. Sleep. Farmer Brown opened his eyes after a good night's sleep. Not a moo, not a cluck, not a clack. Not a peep. Uh-oh. The end. Okay, our last story is about a very silly cow. It's called Not Now, Cow. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Do you see this? Spring is almost here. Look at the buds on the trees. Not now, cow. Spring. Duck is ready, helps things grow. Sheep is ready, skips below. Goat is ready, gives a show. Cow is Oh, cow, not now. Look at that, he's got a hat and a scarf and mittens on. Summer. Chick is ready. Feathers flail. Goat is ready. Chomps a pail. Pig is ready. Leaves a trail. Cow is... Oh, cow, not now. Look at that sled. Snow boots, oh my. Fall. Horse is ready, builds a pile. Chick is ready, snacks a while. Sheep is ready, adds a smile. Cow is, oh dear. Oh, cow, just wow. Look at that funny cow. He's got his skis on. Oh dear, too funny. Winter. Pig is ready, makes a friend. Horse is ready, rounds the bend. Duck is ready, sets a trend. Cow, are you ready? Oh, cow, not now. Oh my goodness, he's got a picnic. Looks like he's ready to go swimming and it's snowing out. We need to talk. Those farm animals want to talk to the cow. He's all mixed up. The end. That was Not Now, Cow.